Hello, everyone. This is Own Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com. Taking a look here at natural gas on the 4-hour time frame. It's been a pretty, erratic, volatile week. It's been, kind of just price action within this little area here, essentially. This uptrend line here that I put in on my last video, still holding up, and the price hasn't really done too much besides get resisted by this downtrend line as well as this previous uptrend line. And I threw in another trend line here just for my own, little perspective here, just to kind of see, what's happening. Basically, it came from on the 4-hour time frame where I just looked at these peaks just to get an idea of, what might be happening, to gauge where selling pressure is within these two locations. So this is the longer term downtrend, and this is the 4-hour downtrend line. And as you can see, we've failed to go higher. It was a very strong reversal candle here, and now we are essentially fighting with this 200 period simple moving average and this 50 here. And my moving averages are already looking at a bearish cross, but the way the price action is pinched right here, I'm not really too sure exactly which way we're going to go. Looking at it on a weekly time frame, it's easy to see that we've rejected this basically this uptrend and downtrend intersection here. So usually what happens is when you have an intersection like this, if the price is going up, or goes down, it'll head up, and then on the next candle it'll come down. So it's going to be difficult to call what's going to happen heading into the end of the week. It just looks like we could really go either way at this point. We can either continue to ride this trend line, get back above, because we do have this golden cross here, which you can see right there with the black line being the 50 and the purple pinkish line being the 200. So we are back in this wedge pattern, and even the end of the line for what I'm trying to say is the end of the line for this trade, whether make or break, is going to essentially be, do we continue to ride the support line here? And if we do, then we'll be looking at this resistance level, which is a downtrend, and then also this previous uptrend line here. So that all kind of coincides with this area right here of price action. So that's an area of supply that's been proven time and time again. If I look back on my chart, I see it numerous times. So if we do happen to maintain support, bounce up, and then reverse, I mean that's a very strong possibility at this time, unless inventory reports really poor tomorrow. Then we'd be looking at testing this 2.86 level, which is where we've obviously taken a break and had this nice uptrend line. But if this does happen to fail, then we'll be going back to this 2.8 level, and then the bearish stance that I've had in my previous several weeks of sessions with doing natural gas analysis, then that still remains intact. Man, the main reason why I've been bearish, and I'll show you right here real quick on the weekly time frame in case you're new to my channel. Basically, what I had identified was that we had a head and shoulders pattern that had developed a long time ago, and that we've basically just been respecting this line right here. So, next stop would be obviously this 2.5 level if the bearish trend is to continue. But for right now, we are, as you can see, a little bit sideways along this 2.86 level. So have to see how this all plays out heading into the end of the week. But for right now, I'm just going to be watching those lower time frames for clues on what the price may be doing. The 4-hour is going to be this trend line here, and then obviously up ahead we have this 2.999 level, let's call it, as the resistance here. So it's going to be fun. Just manage your trades effectively. Use your stop losses. I'm on Wall Street. This has been a presentation of the TradersPerspective.com. I thank you all so much for watching. I will update you all over the weekend with the Monday to Wednesday forecast. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great rest of the week.